Welcome. Today, we're diving into an essential update on Instagram that allows you to customize who can mention you in their posts. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining your privacy and controlling your online presence. Let's walk through the steps to change these settings on your PC. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the More icon located on the left side menu. This icon usually appears as 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, from this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your Instagram experience. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Tags and Mentions. This section is crucial as it contains the options that govern who can mention you. Now, under the Who Can Mention You heading, you'll see different options available for customization. You can choose from allowing everyone to mention you, only people you follow, or turning off mentions altogether. Make your selection based on your comfort level with privacy and interaction on the platform. After making your changes, ensure they are saved automatically. Instagram usually updates these settings in real time, so there's no need for additional confirmation. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your privacy on Instagram and enjoy a more personalized social media experience. Whether you're looking to limit unwanted interactions or simply want more control over your mentions, adjusting these settings is a quick and effective way to take charge of your online presence. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore more tips and tricks to enhance your Instagram experience. Happy posting!